We continue the topic trigonometric functions, in which firstly we derive the formula for exercise 3.3. The formula which we will derive for the next exercise, the first formula is sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. There are four basic formulas which you have to keep in mind. Four formulas you have to learn only, and the rest formulas will be derived. So the first formula is sin A plus B equals to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A plus B equals to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Second formula is sin A minus B. This is sin A into cos B and minus cos A into sin B. And the rest two formulas for cos. Cos A plus B equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. And fourth is cos A minus B equals to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. These are the four formulas. They are called basic formulas, and you have to learn these four formulas only, and the rest formulas will be derived. By using these four formulas, we derive the other formulas. So for next formula, we add first and second. दूसरे फॉर्मूले के लिए क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट और सेकंड को ऐड कर देंगे. एडिंग फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, सो वी गेट साइन ऑफ ए प्लस बी एंड प्लस साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी. लेफ्ट साइड को लेफ्ट के साथ ऐड करेंगे, राइट को राइट के साथ. एंड फ्रॉम दीज टू टर्म्स व्हेन वी ऐड, then plus cos A into sin B and minus cos A into sin B, they get cancelled in plus minus. Plus cos A into sin B minus cos A into sin B gets cancelled, and we get sin A into cos B plus sin A into cos B. So this becomes 2 sin A into cos B. 2 sin A into cos B. This is the fifth number formula. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equals to 2 sin A into cos B. This is the fifth number formula. Now for next formula, add third and fourth. Add third and fourth. थर्ड और फोर्थ को ऐड कीजिए. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, cos A plus B and plus cos A minus B. थर्ड और फोर्थ के लेफ्ट साइड को ऐड किया, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here minus sin A into sin B and plus sin A into sin B, both gets cancelled, and cos A into cos B plus cos A into cos B. This becomes 2 times of cos A into cos B. So this is the sixth number formula. Adding first and second, we get fourth number formula, and adding third and fourth, we get sixth number formula. Now subtract second from first. Subtract second from first, सेकेंड को फर्स्ट से माइनस करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. सो साइन ऑफ ए प्लस बी एंड माइनस साइन ऑफ ए माइनस बी. And when we subtract, then the sign of this gets changed. So this is sin A plus cos B, and this becomes minus sin A into cos B. So plus minus they gets cancelled, and this becomes plus. So cos A into sin B plus cos A into sin B. This becomes 2 times of cos A into sin B. This is the formula number 7. Now subtract third from fourth. Subtract third from fourth. अब फोर्थ से थर्ड को माइनस करो, तो cos A माइनस B माइनस cos A प्लस B. cos A माइनस B माइनस cos A प्लस B. We are subtracting third from fourth, so its sign gets changed. It becomes negative. So cos A cos B minus cos A cos B they gets cancelled, and this becomes positive. So sin A into sin B plus sin A into sin B. This becomes 2 times of sin A into sin B. So these are 4 other formulas which we derived on the basis of these basic formulas. Now suppose let A plus B, let A plus B equals to C and A minus B equals to B. Suppose A plus B equals to C and A minus B equals to D, and then solve these 2 equations. So minus plus gets cancelled, and A plus A we get 2A equals to C plus D, and the value of A in terms of C and D is C plus D by 2. The value of A comes to be C plus D by 2. Now subtract these 2 equations. अभी हमने इसको क्या किया, ऐड किया. अब हम इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. So A plus B equals to C and A minus B equals to D. Now we have to subtract these 2 equations, and to subtract we will have to change the sign of the denominator. So this becomes minus, this plus, and this minus. So plus A minus A cancelled, and we get B plus B equals to 2B equals to C minus B, and the value of B is equals to C minus D by 2. So we get the value of B. Now from 5th number formula, from 5th. Fifth number formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B. A plus B is written as C. A plus B को क्या सपोज किया था, C. तो फिफ्थ नंबर में A plus B को C लिख देंगे, और sin A minus B. A minus B is written as B. So we get sin C plus sin D equals to 2 sin A, and the value of A is C plus D by 2. So 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos B into cos, और D की प्लेस पे we write C minus D by 2. So this is the another formula, and call it formula number 9. 9 number formula. So how to get formula number 9? We put the value of A plus B A minus B, the value of A and the value of B in formula number 5. Then we get the formula number 9. Now from formula 6, put the value of A plus B equals to C. So we get cos C and plus cos D. So cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos A, and the value of A is C plus D by 2. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos B. The value of B is C minus D by 2. So this we get formula number 10. Now from 7. From formula number 7. Similarly, we put the value of A plus B and A minus B. So we get 11 number formula. Sin C and minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is equals to 2 cos A. The value of A is C plus D by 2 into sin B. The value of B is C minus D by 2. This is formula number 11. Now from formula number 8. From 8. So cos A minus B. So A minus B is written as B. So cos T minus cos A plus B. A plus B we have supposed C equals to 2 sin A. 2 sin the value of A is C plus D by 2 into sin B. The value of B is C minus D by 2. So this we get formula number 12. So from basic 4 formulas, these all formulas has been derived. Now for next formula, we see sin 2a. Formula for sin 2a. Formula number 13. Sin 2a. So sin 2a can be written as sin a plus a. Sin 2a can be written as sin a plus a, and use the formula number first. Use the formula number first, or first number formula, sin a plus b. Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So at the place of a we have a, and at the place of b also there is a. So we write sin a into cos b, and at the place of b we have a plus cos a into sin b. The value of b is also a. So it becomes sin a into cos a plus sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a into cos a. So the formula for sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a into cos a. The formula for sin 2a is 2 sin a into cos a. Now sin 2a is also written as 2 sin a into cos a upon 1. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो 1 लगा सकते हैं, and 1 can be written as 2 sin a into cos a. At the place of 1 we can write sin square a and plus cos square. For 1 we can write sin square a plus cos square a. Now divide the numerator and denominator by cos square a. divide the numerator and denominator by cos square A. So 2 sin A into cos A divide by cos square A upon, in denominator, divide cos square A in every term, in both of the term. So sin square A upon cos square A plus cos square A upon cos square A. So 1 times cos A gets cancelled and we get sin 2A equals to 2, and sin A upon cos A, this is tan A. So 2 tan A upon sin square cos square A divided by cos square A, 1, plus sin square A upon cos square A, tan square A. So this is the another formula for sin 2A. So for sin 2A there are two formulas, 2 sin A into cos A, and the another formula is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Sin 2A equals to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. This is the another formula. So there are two formulas for sin 2A. One is 2 sin A into cos A and other is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So this is the formula number 13. So formula number 13 was sin 2A equals to 2 sin A into cos A upon 2 sin A into cos A and also 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Now we see the formula for cos 2A. This is 14 number formula. Cos 2A. So cos 2A can be written as cos A plus A. Cos 2A is written as cos A plus A. Now we use second number formula. We use third number formula. Cos A plus B. So at the place of B we write A. So cos A into cos B. This is cos A into cos B. B is also A. And minus sin A into sin B. The value of B is also A. So it becomes cos 2A equals to cos A into cos A, cos square A, minus sin A into sin A. Here is A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. So this is the 14 number formula. Cos 2A equals to cos square A minus sin square. Now another formula for cos 2A. This cos square A is written as 1 minus sin square A and minus sin square A as it is. So we get cos 2A equals to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A minus 2 sin square A. This is the another formula for cos 2A. Cos 2A is also equals to 1 minus 2 sin square. Now third formula. So cos 2A, the basic formula was cos square A minus sin square A. Now cos square as it is and this sine square A is written as 1 minus cos square A. So it becomes cos square A minus 1 and minus minus plus cos square A. So cos square A plus cos square A, 2 cos square A. So 2 cos square A minus 1. So this is the third formula for cos 2A. Cos 2A equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. Cos 2A equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. This is the third formula. So the basic formula for cos 2A, cos square A minus sine square A. Then another formula for cos 2A, 1 minus 2 sine square A. Then third formula for cos 2A, 2 cos square A minus 1. Then we see the fourth formula for cos 2A. So the basic formula for cos 2A was cos square A minus sine square A minus sine square A. And here at the place of denominator we can write 1. If there is nothing in denominator, it means there is 1, and at the place of 1 we write cos square A minus sine square A upon, at the place of 1 we write at the place of 1 we write cos square A and plus sine square A. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square A. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square A. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square A. So we get cos 2A equals to cos square A divided by cos square A minus sine square A divided by cos square A upon cos square A divided by cos square A plus sine square A divided by cos square. In every term, each of the terms we divide by cos square A. So this becomes cos 2A equals to cos square A upon cos square A, cancel. And this is sine square A upon cos square A, tan square A. Again this cancel, 1 plus tan square A. So this is the fourth number formula for cos 2A. So total there are 4 formulas for cos 2A. The first formula for cos 2A is cos square A minus sine square A equals to 1 minus 2 sine square A equals to 2 cos square A minus 1, and also equals to 1 minus tan square A and upon 1 plus tan square A. So there are total 4 formulas for cos 2A. The basic formula is cos square A minus sine square A. Then third formula 1 minus 2 sine square A. Second formula. Then third is 2 cos square A minus 1. And fourth formula is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Now this was 14 number formula. Now formula number 15, and this is for tan A plus B. Tan A plus B, we know tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So tan A plus B is written as sin A plus B upon cos A plus B. Tan A plus B is written as sin A plus B upon cos A plus B. Now write the first formula, sin A plus B. The formula for sin A plus B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. And in denominator, the formula for cos A plus B, which is cos A into cos B, and minus sin A into sin B. Now divide by tan A plus B, divide by cos A into cos B. Divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B. So we get tan of A plus B equals to sin A into cos B upon cos A into cos B plus cos A into sin B upon cos A into cos B whole upon cos A into cos B upon cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B upon cos A into cos B. Each term is divided by cos A into cos B. So from here cos B cancelled, cos A cancelled, whole terms gets cancelled. So we get tan A plus B. The formula for tan A plus B equals to, it remains sin A upon cos A, which is tan A, plus sin B upon cos B, this is tan B, upon this whole gets cancelled and it remains 1 minus sin A upon cos A, tan A, and sin B upon cos B, this is tan B. So we get the 15th number formula, tan A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is formula number 15.